Hello friends, welcome back to our fun drawing time. Today we are going to draw and color a cute, happy frog. Look, the frog is holding an umbrella and jumping in rainy puddles. So grab your colors, relax, and let's start drawing together.
Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
First, let's start with the frog's face. Draw a nice round face. Now add two big eyes on top and a happy, smiling mouth in the middle. Great job. Next, let's draw the frog's body. Add the arms and long jumping legs. Wow, our frog looks ready to jump. Now, let's draw a big umbrella above the frog. Make it nice and wide to protect from the rain. Good. Next, draw some clouds in the sky. Now add rain lines falling down. Finally, draw water puddles on the ground. Add little splashes to show the frog is jumping. Awesome! The drawing is complete! Now it's time to color our drawing. First, color the eyes using black and white. Look, the frog is looking at our drawing. Next, color the frog's body green, nice and bright. Now color the inside of the mouth red. Add red color to one part of the umbrella too. Great. Now use blue color on the umbrella and also color the water puddles blue. Next, color another part of the umbrella with golden yellow. So shiny. Finally, color the cloud sky blue. Wow, our rainy scene looks beautiful. And we're done. Look at our cute frog jumping happily in the rain. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time with another fun drawing. Bye-bye, friends!